Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to link your Excel sheet to your PowerPoint slide, both as a table and as a chart. This is perfect for presentations where the layout stays the same, but the numbers change, like sales reports or quarterly reviews. Let's get started. Here, I already have a sample Excel spreadsheet with a small product sales table and a chart. We will link both of these to PowerPoint so that anytime we change the data here in Excel, it instantly reflects in our PowerPoint presentation. Now, let's bring the Excel table into PowerPoint. But instead of copy pasting it like a screenshot, we will link it. So changes update automatically. I have opened a new PowerPoint presentation and added a blank slide where I want the table to appear. In the Excel file, I will select the entire table, cells A1 to B6, and press Ctrl C to copy. Now back in PowerPoint, I will go to the Home tab, click the small arrow under the Paste button, and select Paste Special. In this Paste Special window, I will choose Paste Link. Then select Microsoft Excel Worksheet object. And there it is. Our linked table now appears on the slide. This table is now connected to our Excel sheet. So if the data in Excel changes, the update will automatically reflect right here in PowerPoint. Let's test it out. I have both Excel and PowerPoint open side by side. I will change the sales number for pencils from 120 to 200 and hit enter. And just like that, the table in PowerPoint updates automatically. Look at that. Excel doing the heavy lifting while PowerPoint just sits there looking pretty. Here's something even cooler. If you ever want to update the data while you are in PowerPoint, you don't have to manually open Excel. Just double click on the linked table. That opens the original Excel file directly. Let's say I want to change notebooks from 90 to 95. I will quickly do that on our Excel sheet and hit enter. And PowerPoint updates the table instantly. But keep in mind, this is for data only. When it comes to formatting, it works a little differently. Let's say I want to change the font size or apply a color theme right here in PowerPoint. It won't let me. That's because this table is essentially a live preview from Excel, not a native PowerPoint table. So if you want to make changes, you will have to do it back in Excel. I will highlight the header row and change the blue fill. As you can see, the formatting flows through, but only if it's done in Excel. Now let's talk about charts. I have got the same product sales data represented as a column chart here in Excel. Let's bring this chart into PowerPoint. First, I will click on the chart to select it, then press Ctrl C to copy. In PowerPoint, I have added a new blank slide. Now I will paste the chart, but with the correct link option. Click the drop down under Paste. You will see several options. Use destination theme and link data. Applies your PowerPoint slides designed to the chart. Keep source formatting and link data. Keeps the exact Excel look and feel of the chart. I will go with keep source formatting and link data. So the chart looks exactly like it did in Excel and stays linked. Let's test how well the chart stays in sync with our Excel file. With both Excel and PowerPoint open, I will update the sales figure for markers from 80 to 150. And there we go. The PowerPoint chart updates automatically to reflect that change. Super smooth. But sometimes PowerPoint may not catch the change right away. If that happens, here's how to manually refresh the chart. Go to the Chart Design tab and then click Refresh Data on the far right side. That forces PowerPoint to pull in the latest numbers from Excel. Now if you want to edit the chart data but don't have Excel open, here's a quick way to jump to it. Just right-click on the chart and select Edit Data from the context menu. This opens the original Excel file where you can update the numbers. Let's change pens from 150 to 180. And there you go. PowerPoint syncs the change automatically. When it comes to formatting linked charts, things work a little differently than with the tables. Let's say I customize this chart in Excel, maybe change the bar colors or chart style. If I switch back to PowerPoint, as you can see, those formatting changes didn't carry over to PowerPoint. That's because, unlike linked tables, linked charts only sync data, not formatting. But the good news, you can format the chart directly in PowerPoint. Once your chart is in PowerPoint, you can use all built-in chart design tools without affecting the Excel file. So here's the golden rule. Format tables in Excel, format charts in PowerPoint. And with that, it's a wrap for this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.